On March 8, 2014, Malaysia Airlines flight MH370 took off from Kuala Lumpur, headed for Beijing. It was a routine flight with 227 passengers and 12 crew members. But soon, what should have been an uneventful trip turned into one of the world's greatest aviation mysteries. At 12:41 a.m., the Boeing 777-200ER took off and climbed to cruising altitude. Everything was normal until 1:19 a.m. when the plane made its final voice transmission. "Good night, Malaysian 370. Shortly after, the plane vanished from radar, disappearing into the night over the South China Sea. What happened next would puzzle experts for years. An international search was launched, initially focusing on the South China Sea. But with no distress signal or wreckage found, the search area soon expanded. Days turned into weeks, and the world watched as 26 countries joined the effort to find the missing aircraft. Submarines, aircraft, and satellite data were used in what became the largest and most expensive search in aviation history. As days passed, investigators faced more questions than answers. Radar data showed that after its last communication, MH370 made a sharp turn west, heading over the Andaman Sea. The plane's transponder was switched off, suggesting deliberate action. This raised suspicions. Could the plane have been hijacked? Was there a mechanical failure? Or could the pilot have been involved in a suicide mission? Investigators used satellite pings, signals exchanged between the plane and a satellite, to trace its final location. These handshakes suggested the plane had flown south, deep into the Indian Ocean, far from any land. But why? Over a year later, in July 2015, the first piece of debris was found on the shores of Reunion Island, thousands of kilometers from where the plane was thought to have gone down. It was confirmed to be part of Flight MH370's wing. This discovery reignited hopes of finding more clues, but over the next few years, only a handful of debris pieces were recovered. Many theories have since emerged, ranging from a sudden catastrophic event to a controlled ditching of the plane by the pilot. Some believe the plane ran out of fuel and crashed into the ocean, while others suspect foul play or mechanical failure. But with no black box recovered, the plane's final moments remain a mystery. To this day, the fate of Flight MH370 remains one of the greatest mysteries of our time. What really happened on that fateful night? Will we ever know the truth, or will the answers remain hidden beneath the vast Indian Ocean?